Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a generator rain cover. So a lot of people ask me, how do you run these generators outside in the bad weather if you can't get it wet? This is an IGAN small generator cover. This one can work for up to 1,000 to 2,000 watt. There's a 3,000, 4,000 watt version, which I'm going to do later. But today we're going to focus on the 1,000, 2,000 watt generator cover. Let's take a closer look at this cover. It's made of like a tarp, a real water resistant material, almost like a strong plastic rubber type material. I really like the way it's made. We'll take a closer look. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration. You just pick it up and you just put it over your generator. There's enough space on the bottom so the fresh air will come in to the generator, and we'll show you the exhaust side in a minute. Okay guys, so this is the IGAN, I hope I'm saying that right, generator cover. It's for 1,000 and 2,000 models, inverter generators only. Okay, you cannot put this on an open frame generator. It would not work for that. Only for inverter generator, closed generators. Let's do a quick walk around. I really like it. There's some reflective strips on the bottom, so if someone flashes a light or there's any light, it will reflect at night. Okay, so let's see the back where the exhaust is. So this is what it looks like from the behind. You see that exhaust is pointing right through that opening, and there's a nice little cover so the water would just run right over this. No water would get to your generator. More reflective strip in the back. It has 4 legs. IGAN. Okay. Okay, let's look at the openings this generator comes with. So in order to put gas in your generator once you have it covered, you could just pull the top off. I mean, you could just pick this up and your generator would be exposed. Or if you have it tied down, then you can't pick it up, right? So I'll show you the rest of the accessories in a minute. Put gas, this is velcroed on. Okay, flip this open like this so you can get access to your gas tank. So you can add gas to this, and then once you're done, you just flip it back and it would velcro in place. To get access to your front, there's this little quick disconnect right here that comes up. You have access to your front, and you could still see all your overload light, your status light, oil light, so that's pretty cool. To start your generator, there's another velcro flap right here. Open this up, look at that, you can start your generator right there. All right, close that. Okay, now the next thing it comes with are these stakes. Okay, it comes in a nice little pouch, and it comes with this nice carrying case. So once you're done, you could just take this apart, and we'll show you how you take it apart, and stick it all in this case, and you have a nice carrying case for your generator cover. So if you don't need it, you can just keep it in the case and take it with you. All right, these right here, these would stick into the ground. Like if you mount them to the grass, you just stick this in the ground, and then you get this little rope, and they tie in each corner, these little eyelets right here. So you would tie them in the corner to keep this secured and not blown away by wind. So let me demonstrate. I would put one in each corner, and this would be on the grass. I have it on the concrete, but you can put a piece of plywood down and put this on the grass. If you're gonna mount it on cement or any hard surface, I guess you can't use the spikes. Probably use like blocks and tie them to the block or something like that. That would work. But you get your rope, you tie it right here, and then you tie it to the spike. Okay? That's how you get it to secure it down so it don't get blown around by wind. Okay guys, so it's not raining right now, but I would do a demonstration when it's raining. Kind of have it running outside in the rain. Get all this back in there, secure it. Okay, so you just flip this upside down. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. There's a little strap right here, like a hook. Okay, Velcro. 1, 2. Once you get this off this little strap, it's just Velcro strap. You just turn it back upside down. I'm right side up. And you just pull it off. That's it. So this is the housing. You can see how it fits over the generator. Okay? And then the cover simply just fits over that, and then they're Velcroed straps to this. Real smart. Do anything to this, it should last. It comes with an extra clip, an extra feet, and this little rubber housing. I'll show you how that works later. Once you get your generator up, just snap this back together. It folds like this. Just fold it the best you can and get it. They could have made this bag just a little bigger. This right here, it just sticks in right here. You just pull one out. Let's get the one on the top first. Pull that out. Be careful with this. Okay, just pull these apart. There's 3. And be real careful with this. Pull it apart. So if you see this is like a rubber hard plastic. You just put one on this end, put the other one on that end. You stick it in here, then you just bend it and put it on the other side. That's it. Then you put the other one across it. Okay? So you got 6 of these. Put that in your bag. This one right here just pulls apart. So this is plastic, this is some solid metal. Just pull them all apart, stick them in your bag. Get the last one. Okay guys, once you get everything in the bag, you got this perfect bag right here to carry your generator cover. Okay? Okay guys, so we got the generator running with the cover. As you can see, it's raining, storming outside, and I'm using the Harbor Freight 1400 because it also has the core minder. I want to see if it shuts off inside the IGAN rain cover. So if it works that way, that means there's enough fresh air coming into the generator that it doesn't trip the carbon monoxide detector. Nice and dry inside. As you can see, guys, I put a piece of styrofoam on the bottom to keep the generator high and dry. So it's about an inch, 3/4 of an inch up. Go all the way around. Generator should stay nice and dry like this. Okay guys, so it's been running for about 45 minutes to an hour and the generator did not shut off, meaning that you can run your coal miner generators, the one with the carbon monoxide detectors, covered with a tent. There's enough fresh air coming from all around the bottom being pulled up to keep the air inside nice and cool and fresh. So you can cover your coal miner generator with this, you know, and you will get a benefit of a little quieter generator when it's covered in the yard. Okay, I like it. I'll give this one a thumbs up. If you're looking for a way to cover your generator in your yard, guys, keep it out of the rain, keep it out of the weather, snow, rain, I think this one will work. And especially in the snow won't stick to this. It is not hot at all. It's not even warm. It's cool. Towards the back, still cool. So you can use this in the rain and snow. You know, I would secure it down with the ties that comes with it. Like I said, it goes right here. But it works pretty good. I like it. And being able to access your generator from, you know, without taking it off. You want to put gas? You just open up the gas fill right here. All right, here's the real test. Let's get this uncovered and see if the generator has any water on it, okay? It's been running in the rain pretty good for about an hour. The rain finally stopped, so I can come out here and check it out. Let's top off. All right, here's the real test. Generator is 100% dry. Not a drop of water. Not even the back. I'm pretty sure if the wind was blowing and it was real bad, it would probably have some on there, but it's better than having your generator just sitting out in the open like this, right? Awesome, guys. I recommend this one. If you guys have been wondering how you can cover your generator while it's raining, I know a lot of people ask me, how do I protect my generator from the rain? How do I keep it from getting wet? All right, that's your answer right here, the IGAN generator cover. Okay guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so right now. Quick review of this IGAN generator cover. Thanks for watching the channel. Have a nice day. Bye.